Alright, so I've made my decision. This is the spot that I'm going to plant the bunchberry. Like I said, I'm real concerned that it's not going to be moist enough, but it's just going to be the spot. If you look here, it looks like it's an old cedar stump. One of the things they say about bunchberries is that they like to grow near and around old dead cedars. So maybe that'll be in my favor. I'm going to take you guys on a little field trip because I'm not 100% sure that that's cedar, but I do have an old dead cedar that I'm going to dig up some of its mulch to put in the soil when I plant it. So I'll bring you along. Okay, so I'm down here by my giant cedar tree stump, cedar tree stump. So what happened is the park had a fire in the 1950s, and this was one of the victims. But it's a beautiful stump. You can't really get a good shot of it here, but anyway, so what I'm doing, I'm getting some of this mulch for the bunchberries. I am ready to do my planting. I've got my little pan of cedar, and so I'm just gonna dig out a little bit. You can see how dry this soil is. It's not that it's dry, it's just super sandy. So I'm not gonna put a bunch of amendments in this because bunchberries are native, so I shouldn't have to. This is the fun part, the dirty part. They say the bunchberry spreads through rhizomes under the ground, so hopefully in a year or two we'll have more. I'm going to put this in too. Okay, now I'm ready for my finishing touches, my rock markers. Coming up next. Alright, so I'm all done planting the bunchberry and I've got my markers so put into place, so we're ready for the big reveal. Hold on. So here they are. I think they came out pretty cute and adorable. Very Eastery looking. So that's my weekend project. I'm gonna go plant my bear grass now and put those markers out. Thanks for coming. I hope you enjoyed the show. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you again soon. Thanks. Bye.